In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Trustpilot Reviews Woocommerce plugin. Whether you're running a small online shop or managing a large e-commerce store, customer reviews can make all the difference. They build trust, improve your credibility, and ultimately help drive more sales. Trustpilot is one of the most popular review platforms out there, and integrating it into your WooCommerce store is a smart way to showcase customer feedback directly on your website. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through the process of installing the Trustpilot Reviews plugin on your WordPress site. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to your WordPress admin panel. This is the central hub where you manage your website, so it's important to ensure you have access to it. If you don't remember your WordPress admin URL, it's typically your website address followed by WP admin. For example, if your website is example.com, you would type example.com WP admin into the browser's address bar. Once you're on the login page, enter your credentials to log in. This will give you access to the WordPress dashboard, where all the magic happens. If you're having trouble logging in, make sure your username and password are correct. If you've forgotten your password, you can use the Lost Your Password link to reset it via email. Now that you're in the dashboard, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. This menu contains all the tools you need to manage your site. Locate the section labeled Plugins. Plugins are essentially add-ons that enhance the functionality of your website, and this is where you'll manage them. Click on Plugins to proceed to the Plugins page. On the Plugins page, you'll see a list of all the plugins currently installed on your site. To add a new one, click the Add New button at the top of the page. This will take you to the WordPress plugin directory where you can search for and install new plugins. In the top right corner of the plugin directory, you'll see a search bar. Go ahead and type Trustpilot into the search bar. Then press Enter or click the search icon. This will bring up a list of plugins related to Trustpilot. Look for the official Trustpilot plugin in the search results. To make sure you've found the right one, check the name, developer, and description to confirm that it's the plugin developed by Trustpilot. Once you've identified the correct plugin, you'll see an Install Now button next to it. Click that button to begin the installation process. The installation will take a moment, so be patient while WordPress downloads and installs the plugin. Once the installation is complete, you'll see an Activate button in place of the Install Now button. Click Activate to enable the plugin on your site. After activating the plugin, you'll want to confirm that everything is working as expected. You can do this by returning to the Plugins page in your dashboard and checking that the Trustpilot Reviews plugin is listed as active. If it is, congratulations, you've successfully installed and activated the Trustpilot Reviews Woocommerce plugin. From here, you'll be able to configure the plugin to suit your needs, such as linking it to your Trustpilot account and customizing how reviews appear on your site. But that's a topic for another video. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.